Today I will be showing us how to conduct a basic hub setup after you've gotten your new Wicrypt device. You need to put a SIM or connect it to a LAN network. Then when you see your the Wi-Fi coming from the device, so in this case there's a default name coming from SSID, which means Wi-Fi name coming from the device. Visit Wicrypt login.net. There's a default username and the default password, which is admin. Login. All right. In this case, so the first thing you would have to do is to head over to quick setup. You have to change your Wi-Fi name or SSID. So in this case, I'm going to give it this. So because at the end of the day, I might have to head over to business mode and set over to the business mode. I don't want to put password because this makes it easy for me. Like I said, it's a very fast way to set up. I'm showing the best way for you to set up. So in this first case, I'm not going to add a security mode, but if you want, you can actually add a security mode to your Wi-Fi name, but in this case I'm not adding it. So I'm going to save changes. Right, so while I'm saving changes, you can see the network from this particular SSID has disappeared. So you just wait a bit for the new name should come up on the network. So I'm going to click on this. You can see it's now showing. So I'm going to click on Bounty Test, the new one. So you'll see the success message after the device connect. You can look up that it's trying to also connect. So now it has connected successfully. Right, so I think that is that. So that's the first thing. The first thing you do is to change your Wi-Fi name. The next thing you do is to register your hotspot hub. This process allows you to map your device to your Wicrypt account. Remember, you've downloaded the Wicrypt app, you've created an account on the Wicrypt app, you have your email address and your PIN, and when you created your account on the Wicrypt app. So what this registering does is that it helps you map that account to your new device, right? So what you just do here is to enter the email address and the PIN that you use to create the account on the mobile app. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put my email address, enter my PIN, and I'll click on register. You can see you've successfully registered your hotspot hub. If you want to know what this means, is that you can actually go back to dashboard.wicrypt.com. So let me log out, then log in back to show you how this process works. So I'm logging out now. So what you do is that when you go to dashboard, you also use the same email address and the PIN that was generated when you created your account on the Wicrypt mobile app. So I entered my email address and this is my PIN. And remember, it's this same information that you use to register your device, to map your device to your Wicrypt account. So what you do, so I've successfully registered my hotspot hub. So to confirm that has been done, so you head over to the dashboard, you click on devices. You can see my devices. Can you see this is showing Bounty Test? I just registered it and it's currently. So what you just have to do next is to ensure that you set the billing rate for this device. So in this case, I'm going to set it to 0 naira, and I'm going to continue, and then I'll save, click on yes. So my rate has been set successfully. Now, so the next thing that you would want to do is to enable business mode to allow you to be able to mine. Remember, you have to be on business mode to mine on the Wicrypt network. So I'll show you how to do that. So the next thing is you head over to business on your Wicrypt login.net. You click on enable, right? Then click on save changes. So this will download a file for you. It will actually restart your device actually. So when it downloads, so you can see the progress bar. So I'm also going to click on this for you to see the behavior on the network, so that you understand that it disconnects after downloading, then you reconnect, your device restarts itself, then you are on the network. So you just have to wait for this to download. So as you can see, it has downloaded completely. Let me just give you a recap. The first thing you do is to go to your quick setup, change your SSID name, then save changes. The next thing you do is to register your hotspot hub. That allows you to map your device to your Wicrypt account, and I've shown you the evidence on how to know from the dashboard of Wicrypt.com where you can set your billing rate. Ensure that you also set your billing rate as well. So in most cases, so far you are not reselling your data, it's best to set it to 0 naira, or even at first, before you even start reselling, to see how it works, set your billing rate to 0 naira to be able to not have friction when setting up your device. So we'll wait for my device to come up, right? See, it's back. I think I clicked on it too quickly, but yes, it's back, right? So now my business mode has been enabled successfully. So if I go back to Wicrypt login.net, reloading, login, I put my password, and login. So if I click on business, you can see I'm currently on business mode. So after a while, this would actually shut me out of the network, so that I can log in with my router code or my token or voucher code. But yeah, so another thing that you might need to quickly do is to change your device password, right? So it's best to set your password so that when you are logging in into this Wicrypt login on it, you have your own password to the device, and someone cannot remotely access your device or change your settings.